The Oral-B Pro 100 electric toothbrush features a sophisticated built-in timer system designed to optimize your brushing routine. This timer activates automatically the moment you turn on your toothbrush. Unlike some models, you cannot disable this feature. It's always working to guide your brushing. The timer runs for exactly 2 minutes, the duration recommended by dental professionals for effective plaque removal. This timing is based on extensive dental research. The Pro 100 also includes a 30-second quadrant timer. Every 30 seconds, the brush pauses briefly to signal when you should move to the next section of your mouth. This quadrant system ensures you give equal attention to all areas of your mouth. Most people tend to favor certain areas when brushing, but the timer guides you to clean every section thoroughly. The Oral-B Pro 100 timer system transforms your brushing routine from guesswork into a scientifically backed, systematic approach to oral care. To use the Oral-B Pro 100 timer effectively, you need to understand the 4-quadrant brushing system. Your mouth is divided into 4 sections that you'll brush systematically. The 4 quadrants are upper right, upper left, lower right, and lower left. You'll spend exactly 30 seconds brushing each quadrant, guided by the timer's brief pause signals. Proper brushing technique is crucial. Hold your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to the gum line. This angle allows the bristles to clean both the tooth surface and along the gum line effectively. Remember to let the electric toothbrush do the work. Avoid aggressive scrubbing motions. The oscillating bristles are designed to clean effectively with gentle pressure. Here's how the timer works in practice. Start with quadrant 1 and brush for 30 seconds. When you feel the brief pause vibration, move to the next quadrant. Continue this pattern through all 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1, 30 seconds of focused brushing. Quadrant 2, 30 seconds of focused brushing. Quadrant 3, 30 seconds of focused brushing. Quadrant 4, 30 seconds of focused brushing. After exactly 2 minutes, the brush automatically shuts off, indicating you've completed the recommended brushing time. This systematic approach ensures thorough cleaning of all areas. Studies show that using the timer system leads to significantly better plaque removal, improved gum health, more consistent brushing habits, and complete mouth coverage. The systematic approach ensures no area is missed. The Oral-B Pro 100 timer transforms your brushing routine from guesswork into a precise, effective oral care system.